Hi viewers, welcome to BSP Voice. So the series of lectures by different people and different backgrounds. So here today we are coming with Rohita Reddy, who has been working in Bank of America as apprentice, who's finished her BTech from BV Rajan Institute of Technology, Narsapur, passed out 2016, right? Uh, then 2020, passed out 2020, 16 batch,
Yeah,
2020 passed out, and she got 6 lakhs per annum, right? The beginning of her career. It's very good. If you really listen to her, definitely some of you get some points from her to start your career too in different fields too. So here we can see Rohita Reddy's complete profile is at CSC, Computer Science Engineering at BV Rajan Institute of Technology, who is very clever in it and who used to work hours together for right right coding maybe or any kind of things which he wants to learn from the right computer concerned languages. At the same time, communication skills, whenever I give any kind of lessons, she used to come forward and teach to the students, because the student centered classrooms are very important, which is an aim that to give the complete scope to the students to develop their communication skills. Rohita was one of the best students of the class, so she utilized it, and she also contributed her part of teaching to the students, being a student. Then you can see in campus placements only she got opportunity in Bank of America and Devraj Institute of Technology. Then her schooling and all, St. Martin's and remaining all, let us know her CGPA also. It is 9.6. Really thunder. What is called CGPA. Very good CGPA. Moreover, she is a very innocent girl and very good girl. Uh, right. So definitely, the people who are very sincere and very good definitely reaches the good positions. That is proven in case of Rohita Reddy also. So welcome BSP Voice, Rohita Reddy.
hello sir. Thanks you. Thank you for this opportunity first of all.
Yeah.
And I'm really glad meeting you after 4 years again.
Yes.
I still remember your classes and how friendly you were with us.
Yeah.
And you used to be our favorite English faculty during our in your first year actually.
Okay. I actually
You
came
might
for
not be.
I came for second semester.
Yeah, for second semester, yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So how have you felt about all the things? Your life journey started from your beginning of your childhood to now. How you felt and how you are going to inspire or give some inputs to the coming generation students?
First of all, I am like I'm a eldest child in my home, so I have two siblings. So right from my young age or childhood, if I say, I was a very quiet girl, very studious girl, and people used to make fun of me sometimes, like you're a topper, you don't do any naughty things and all. So I
Mm.
used to be a good, and even my schooling went for free of cost actually. My school has an concept like whoever is the first ranker would get complete free reimbursement. So I used to be like a topper, like a silent child, and I used to learn a lot the things. So in that probably I missed my JEE somehow, few
Oh.
of my emotional problems.
Mm.
Yeah, so because of that, I made my MSET and I could make into I got around 6,000 rank in my MSET, so I could make into top BVRIT college. So
Okay.
I'm really glad that I got into BVRIT first of all. It's a place like where I have learned so many things. Talking about my journey, like I'm just 22, 23, right? So there is no much I can't tell there I have faced these many things in my life. It's not a big story,
Mm.
but as far as I faced few challenges actually. So what are the challenges is being from like a middle class girl, then afterward I used to be good at my education. So everybody has so many hopes and so many expectations on me, like what I'm going to do out of my life. So I was doing pretty well. Then afterwards, I always had an instinct like I was never, I can't, I don't like doing a single task. I'm always a multitasker. Whatever I do, I wanted to do many things at a time.
Oh, great.
I wanted to keep myself busy, learn more things. Even in your classes, if you see, I used to be always good interactive. I love
Yeah.
making new people, new friends. So I used to be like that kind. And afterwards, what happened is during my engineering first year, so I got an actually a new opportunity from my relative. So it's the network marketing opportunity. I hope everybody know about that. So it being innocent in the first year, so only thing I understood is that something I can grab from that.
Okay.
Being just coming to college, uh, we how we do engineering. It's very one day before preparations we do. So it was like that. I thought I have to do something else in my college life. I have to learn something extra. So I always had an business mind always. I
Hmm.
always wanted to be an entrepreneur. So I thought only studying BTech in my college, only grabbing the technical knowledge or college things, curriculum things will not help me to move along ahead in my life.
Okay.
So I took that opportunity. I grabbed that opportunity. The moment I took that opportunity, I came to know that it's a very challenging one. It's a
Hmm.
completely a negative thing. So I faced a lot things even from my family also, like this is not the right thing to do. You have to do only education. You should not do like multitasking. It's not good for your education. You might not land up into a job after fourth year because
Hmm.
job is really important after fourth year. So I faced a lot many issues, and but never I could. I always cope up to my studies. Always my CGPA used to be around 9 above definitely. So it was pretty good. Actually, seriously, if I tell my last 2 to 3 years in college, it was very tough, very short moments I had in my college. But I have good friends, good faculty. There was literally a good faculty support from my college. I had few good faculty responding to me, helping me with studies, materials, and all. So it was like an encouraging thing, and I learned a lot about real life. I understood that it's if you want to get succeeded in the real life, it's not about only the technical knowledge, curriculum knowledge you need. You need the life skills, communication you need, how you deal with people you need, how to face the struggles you need. And being a girl, and it's really pretty difficult. It's not that easy to dream high
Hmm.
dream high, go beyond the things and do. And there are many mental and emotional things we come in middle. You have
Yes.
to cope up with that. So I faced literally a lot many things. I learned lot many things about sales. I learned about people. I learned about working knowledge. How I used to handle around 50 team with me, my juniors in my second year or third year. I used to feel like I learned almost all the managing things. So after the moment when I came into my third year or fourth year, then I understood I also need to focus on my technical aspects. I have to improve my skills in technical also. Then I started learning my programming languages, technical languages, and everything. So after that, unfortunately, I got in my fourth year first semester, I got placed into Capgemini, which was
Okay.
around 3.8 lakh per annum.
Hmm.
So I had a good coaching from my college, and I'm really very grateful about that because there was intense training for around 30 days. We used to work from morning 9 to evening 8. I used to get to my home. Even then, I used to write a 2 hours exam. That much my college supported for me.
Okay.
People tell that it's difficult, but BVRIT especially, I'm telling, they gave me a lot support. That's why I could crack that job. And after cracking that job, I was happy but not satisfied because always my dream was not only to get a job. I always wanted to do something and I wanted to become an entrepreneur. For that, I need some extra skills. So I was in a worry that maybe I will land up only into a job out of my life. What am I going to do? What are my dreams? Should I compromise with them? Being a girl, being a middle class girl. So I had a lot many questions. I was not satisfied. I was not even happy. I didn't even had my good days in my last year of my college also. So after then in December, I got an opportunity for Bank of America, which I tell you, it's a very sho- sh- it's a shocking thing. It's a surprising thing. I never expected that there. I never even knew there is a company called as Bank of America. So the moment,
Okay.
unfortunately, I really don't know, sir. I don't know that our college there will be, and this is the package, and then they recruit girls, and I don't know really. So unfortunately, one of my friend, without asking me, she gave my name.
Oh.
Like she called me, "Are you interested in Bank of America? It's like 6 LPA package." She told. So I thought, genuinely, I was not interested because I thought I should prepare for CAT.
Hmm. Hmm.
I wanted to get into IIMs, get into B school, and I wanted to become a entrepreneur.
Yeah.
So that was my plan. So Capgemini, okay, while doing part time, I'll do. I thought. Then after that, I got this opportunity because I had in my mind only one thing: the whatever the opportunity you get in middle, you should not leave them. At least you have to give it yourself a try, whatever
Definitely.
might be the result. So definitely, so I went to our H college, our Hyderabad campus. So I went after seeing that I saw there are around 200 girls.
Yeah.
200 girls, and I was literally shocked. Okay, what is happening here? Will I make it or not? I do not know actually. So
Mm,
then return test happened.
mm,
Unfortunately, whatever the training I got for from college regarding coding or something, and I learned on my own because college cannot teach you everything. So I learned. I gave my thing. Unfortunately, I cleared that.
okay.
So after clearing that, next day there is TR and HR.
Mm,
I don't know how far what they are going to ask, what technical aspects they are going to ask. And I'm frankly speaking, sir, I'm not so good at technical. So good, I'm not. So I know basics. I know how to handle what is coding, what level industry needs. I know. Deep level coding, I genuinely do not know because I was always doing part time during my college. So after that, I got this opportunity. And next day morning, if I see out of 200 girls, 100 girls were shortlisted for TR and HR. And it's
oh.
again a breakthrough for me. So I should again track this. So I was like, around after morning session, everything was done. I
Mm,
thought, okay, they got the number, they got the count, whatever the recruitment they need. So they are just keeping us waiting for just for the name purpose. So I have to see, I thought. After that, what happened is they got the count, sir. They got the count, and I am the last
mm,
person for the interview. And after me, there were my few of my classmates, like around 4 to 5. Unfortunately, I kept my resume and I went to the interview inside. Then he was keeping on asking me few things, technical aspects. He asked me to the depth level. He asked, and I was literally a bit terrified. But I could make it because of my confidence levels. Because I did what I did in my college life because of that part-time thing and because of my managing skills, I could really cope up that. After that, just sir, I was the last person to get selected into the company. I was the
mm,
last applicant. Before me, I think before me everything was done. By seeing my profile, I have kept what my like minor project, what was my major project, and what extracurricular things I made in college. And I explained him what was my role in my part-time thing and what's my skills and all. So I told him what next my 5 years career is going to be also. He was pretty impressed actually.
mm.
That is the reason extra he selected me. I was the last candidate. It was like a blind shot for me. Surprising thing, and I'm really grateful for that. After that, it's been really very good. And after that, unfortunately, COVID happened, and
Yeah.
I was literally all my friends, and we were terrified that whether we will get the opportunity, whether we will get the call letter, whether we will get joined, or how it's gonna things gonna happen. We were so terrified. So then after that, in June, unfortunately, I got a call from my company. They told that please do not worry. You people got selected into a great company. We are standard. We will not let your things down.
Yeah. Mm.
Within 1 month, we are going to recruit you. And I'm literally happy. Right from July ending, August, my office got started. So
Yeah.
that's how I landed into the company. And after that, I made very stunts. A training was happening till afternoon or something. And after that, I used to prepare for CAT.
Mm,
Again, I was multitasking. I
mm.
was preparing for CAT till my work actually got started. I really prepared well, hardly. Then from September, my work got really
Mm.
tough on the time. Till 8:30, I used to work. Even now, today also, my work got
Yeah.
at 8 o'clock. So, because since it's for work from home, we have to keep our full effort. Since we being freshers, they expect a lot from us. So it's going on, and I wrote my CAT exam also. It was not worst actually this time because I last 3 months because of work I could not concentrate. But still, I'm thinking not to give up. Even again, I started for next year preparation also for CAT.
Mm.
So have to see my journey. And my job location is actually Gujarat, Gift City.
Oh God. Okay. You had to go there.
Yeah, I have to move, sir. I think right from till June there will be no chance to move there since COVID vaccine and all. So
Mm.
right from June, July, I think I have to move there.
Yeah. Yeah. So you have to work at Gujarat now.
Yeah, I have to work there.
Modi's place.
Modi's place, exactly.
Yeah, one of the ideal states of nation.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good developed, but it's away from actually the place Hyderabad. Okay, how the parents actually? How
No.
the parents are supportive for this?
They are extremely supportive, sir. Even when during my college days, when I was doing part time, my father actually he works in Jammu Kashmir.
Ah, what is he?
Yeah, he's a mechanical engineer. Since due to very less opportunities here in Hyderabad, so it was difficult to cope up with three children, maintaining a good education. So since for the sake of opportunities, when I was in my ninth class, he left.
Oh,
So he comes 6 months once a year. So we'll be having a good time. And so even in that case also, my father and my mother they supported me a lot. They
great.
used to give me
Okay.
a lot of freedom to explore the things, new things, take some risk. I used to return very late at night sometimes completing my works.
Hmm.
I have good support from my family. Even now they are not at all. My father is in fact helping me. No, no, it's a good area, actually good opportunity. It's Gujarat. It's very safe for girls. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Once if you go out and start exploring yourself, you will become even more confident. Don't worry. He's supporting.
Yeah. Yeah. So father works in government sector, Jammu Kashmir.
Yeah, yeah. He's a mechanical engineer there.
Okay.
So in industry he works there.
Oh, great, great. So did you visit any time Jammu Kashmir?
No, no, sir. My father, he traveled a lot of places. First he was in Jharkhand, then he went to Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. Now 6 months back, after COVID only, he left to Jammu Kashmir. We are
Hmm.
thinking to go in the summer, visit there.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. So anyhow, you settle somewhat. Okay, before leaving Gujarat, you can leave. You can go and visit your father's places.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
some right pleasure moments will be there for you.
exactly.
Yeah. So it's really very good journey indeed. So wherever actually, how you improved your communication skills indeed. You are excellent communicator.
Exactly. If I tell you, when I was in my schooling time, I had my schooling from pretty good school.
Hmm.
Yeah, since you stayed in the same common place, you might have heard about St. Martin's School.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a pretty good school. We had a good things. We used to many competitions, interlevel. I had so many certifications from that. I went to Limca World Book of Records. I have certification from that. We used to have many opportunities, sir. My
Yeah.
schooling was my strongest base.
Hmm.
I would not have any fear talking to people right from young because of my
Yeah.
schooling. And after that also mainly more I learned about the industry. I learned about the marketplace, how to deal with people, how their mindset going to be, how the working place is going to be, how to manage people. That's
Hmm.
more important. When I was doing fine things in my college days, I learned a lot from there actually. So all my fears, little fears, whatever stage fear or something public speaking fear,
Yeah.
I lost them, and that helped me a lot. And most importantly, my college also, like, it was very supportive,
Yes.
and the faculty also, whoever were there, they used to always encourage in speaking things.
Hmm. Hmm,
So
hmm.
I used to be the first person. Never I used to be backward. I used to be the
Okay.
first
Okay.
person to take the first opportunity to speak everywhere.
Yes. That's
So
it. I
that's
know. I know.
more
I know.
important.
You will be
Yeah.
always right front rows and would come forward for
Yes,
any kind
yes,
of activities when I conducted in your right BTech first year, second sem. Okay,
yes.
it's very good to see that actually right position and the right person will have right position. Definitely, there'll be brighter life compulsory. Just tell
Hope
me
so, sir.
that the tips to the students to how to improve communication skills, because most of the students who are coming from the rural background suffering from this kind of tendency that here phobia of language and all. So what suggestion
Yeah,
would you like to give them and how to improve the skills? Besides, of course, we are there. ELCS lab is there. English faculty
yeah,
we support, but English faculty can't be always with them. So what suggestions?
exactly. Right.
Yeah, what suggestions would you like to give them to improve the skills?
I always encourage people to talk more, sir. Whatever might be the situation, whatever might be the language, first you need to remove the fear of talking to people.
Yes.
When you talk more, whatever the nonsense you speak, it's of no matter. But
That's it.
instead,
That's it.
you have to develop the habit of talking.
Yes, yes, exactly. That is true. Hmm.
Exactly. Then we have to like start communicating with our friends very frequently. Some people have a phobia of not talking to everyone.
Yeah.
They feel scared to talk to all people in a class. Even some people, they do not communicate with class people. It's like you have to talk to everyone. We have to remove the fear of what other people will think about us.
That is the main phobia indeed. Actually, you should not think about others'
Exactly.
thoughts.
What
So
other thing?
yeah, yeah,
It's really damn what other people will think about us. Nothing. It's just for the moment what they think. Oh, it all matter. All it matters is our what we want to do in our things and all.
yes,
So I like the secret of what I feel is the communication skills is removing the fear of the people, talking to people. Then
yes.
after that, how to develop your verbal things or how to develop your professional talking or speaking skills, which I feel is
Hmm.
you have to communicate with good people around you,
Yes.
like the good English faculty like you, or else the friends from other states, not from our common
Yeah,
mother
yeah,
tongue.
yeah.
When you speak with other states people, the only medium is English.
Hmm. That's
You can't speak any other language.
yeah. There's no
So with
option.
that, you can develop more. Yeah, exactly, sir.
We should not have any option
Then
to
after
speak
that,
in other language other than English.
yes,
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 yes, yes,
that gives a good opportunity
yes.
to speak. And after that, most importantly, people will connect to entertainment very easily. I prefer watch as many as English movies.
Yeah, that's good.
Exactly.
That's good indeed. Hmm.
Yes, sir. By seeing English movies, English web series, when you see there are amazing websites actually. The moment when I started preparing for CAT, then
Hmm.
I came to know what is actual English.
Hmm.
There are so many great websites like The Garden, The Atlantic.
Hmm.
They have good number of articles actually.
Yeah.
So that helps what is happening all around the world, and also that will really improve your words. Whatever the English we speak or we learn from schooling, it's very small things, sir. I understood English is really a big thing. There are so many words, so many meanings, so many accents, too
Indeed,
much of
English.
grammar.
Yeah, English itself is easy language indeed than any other languages in the world.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Exactly, sir. It's a global language also, and it's really pretty interesting. So, in that way, we can develop our communication skills, sir. What I feel is you should talk more.
Hmm.
People
Yeah.
should say, stop talking. Until then, we have to talk.
Should not be shy to talk in English. That's important, first of
Never
all.
ever.
Yeah.
Whatever the people think, that doesn't matter.
So, moreover, people should not care about grammar indeed while beginning, actually, while speaking.
Exactly, sir. Grammar
Uh,
doesn't matter.
how you convey is important there. That's what people
Yeah.
say. Well, grammarian can't be a well speaker. If the
Yes, sir.
person thinks about grammar, he can't speak because always he is after grammar only. What I am speaking, whether is or was or had or have something like that. So the beginning of the stage, the people have to move on
Exactly, sir.
without caring grammar. Yeah. What do you say
Yes, sir.
about what do you say about it?
Exactly, sir. Grammar, it doesn't matter, sir. We are not going to give some English literature exam to know the grammar things. What we need is some good, strong communication, which helps you to convey your content.
Yes.
We need to know a good English language where any professional, whenever you speak, in a short span, you should be able to convey your complete information.
Yes. Yes.
That's the best thing which I felt. And most importantly, if you talk, sir, regarding the technical interviews also, we think campus placements completely depend upon technical things or technical aspects. It's not true, sir. From my experiences, when I have attended to various companies in our college, what I
Hmm.
experienced is only one thing. Technical aspects are really important.
Yes.
Along with that, a major role plays with your communication also. The level of confidence, the level of strength you have in your voice, the confidence levels you have, that pretty much shows what's your ability to handle the company or your job or the corporate world.
Yes.
That is what most probably they see, sir, because what they look into is not this guy, how much coding he can do. They doesn't look, sir. Even when I entered into Bank of America company, none
Hmm.
of them asked me like how many things you know, how much coding things you know, how depth the language you know. It is definitely important. I'm not telling that it's not important. It is important to grab a knowledge.
Hmm.
Without coding, you can't survive in the software field.
Hmm.
But more, as important as coding, it's more important that how you deliver yourself.
Yes. Yes.
So that is what most they look into. Even now, I am doing a project. In that project, we are 5 campus grads around in my team,
Hmm.
and my manager is pretty much impressed by me
Oh,
because
great.
I frequently communicate to him.
Hmm.
I talk to him each and everything without any fear or without any setbacks or anything.
That's
So he is
important.
pretty
Yes.
much impressed by me. Yeah, that is most important in corporate world, sir. According to the experience which I have right now,
Hmm.
that only makes you sustained into the corporate world for a longer life.
Yes.
When you are not speaking, when we are like little feared about the things, not expressing ourselves, people will not definitely recognize you. They'll not recognize you
Hmm.
in
Yeah.
this corporate world or anywhere wherever if we go. If you wanted to make our print,
Yeah.
so
It is there. It is there everywhere. The same thing. The person has to express his own views.
yes, sir. Exactly, sir.
Hmm. Yeah,
Yes,
Rohita.
sir.
Yeah, tell me. Then.
Yes, sir. So it's like that. So whatever, this is what, sir. Even I have 2 siblings. One of my brother is studying in our college only. Is
Yeah.
he second
Yeah.
year right now?
Yeah. I
So
know.
I also keep on telling me the. I also keep on telling him the same thing that you should definitely grab the technical knowledge. You have to become a good, like good strong strength in your field. But
Yeah.
at the same
Skills.
time, you
Skills
have
are
to
important. Hmm.
communicate as much as yourself.
Skills are
You should
very
express
important.
yourself.
Yeah.
Exactly, sir.
Hmm. Exactly. Thank you so much, Rohita. Your inputs and your experiences definitely will benefit our coming generation students. Definitely, they'll take you as
Yes,
an
sir. Thanks a lot.
ideal person because it is one of the best companies, right? Bank of America. Great indeed,
Yes, sir.
right? Getting job there, going to Hyderabad campus and got there among the right 200 girls. Sorry, 200 girls, and you are placed in that.
Yes,
It is one of the right great achievements we can say, great accomplishments.
exactly.
So that definitely your life will be brighter, and whatever you feel about cracking cat, definitely you crack the cat, you will become entrepreneur, and surely
Hope so, sir.
I wish you all the best for your the future endeavors, whatever are there in your life. Thank you so much
Thanks.
being with BSP Voice with Bitla. Right,
Yes, sir. It's
your
a good
coming,
initiative.
yeah, your presence in BSP Voice definitely strengthen the BSP Voice also. At the same time, strengthen the mindset of the next
Yes, sir.
generation too, because your thoughts are very important for the next generation students to take their next steps to reach their goals. Thank you, Rohita,
Yes, sir.
and all the best for your entire
Thanks a
life.
lot, sir. Thanks for
Entire
this
life.
opportunity.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.